This is Namaste Radio. Every Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. And a live show on Sundays from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. with your hosts, Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly Deep on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Diwali. Let's celebrate with these bright deals. Face polish, $15. 50% off on gold and diamond facials. Do full arms or full legs waxing and get underarms free. And backed by popular demand, pumpkin spice facial will be extended for the month of November. Have the glow of happiness on your face this Diwali.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. साथ में music और pool table भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Arling's or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Arling's is here to make those moments happen. Arling's Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery, and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
Jalebi and basundi available every day.
Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
In life, there's a lot to be thankful for and just as much to protect. The things that matter most to you are worth keeping safe. Mass Mutual Greater Houston. A Mass Mutual general agency is committed to providing the guidance you need to help you reach your financial goals. Their financial professionals work to earn your trust by delivering custom financial solutions and sharing your financial priorities. Mass Mutual Greater Houston can help you prepare for what's ahead and to feel confident in your family's financial future and your own. They understand who's counting on you. To learn more, call Lalit Jalan at 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269.
Namaste Radio. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download our app available on Apple and Android products. जी हाँ, Namaste Radio.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. NamasteRadioHouston.com on our iPhone and Android apps, on Amazon Alexa products. Just say, hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio live. Watch us live in the studio, all the Hangama right here on the Namaste Radio Facebook page, on the Namaste Radio Houston YouTube page, and NamasteRadioHouston.com website. And now I'm being joined by up sabki favorite Vanchika and Houston ka hero Sushil right here.
Namaste, namaste, namaste.
Namaste, Houston. What's up? Totally deep.
I'm doing the great.
The
How
great.
about you?
Today, Dolly Deeps looks like he's in a very romantic mood.
Yeah, why not?
मतलब
That's
इतने
right.
romantic
It's
गाने
that weather,
बजा रहे
no?
थे.
I was out yesterday enjoying the nice cool breeze.
By
Seeing
yourself,
Chris-
right?
Huh?
By yourself.
Romantic, how can he enjoy it by himself? क्या फूलों से प्यार करेगा क्या?
क्यों अपने आप से प्यार करो, you know?
Yeah.
अपने आप से you can only do limited amount of things with yourself, right? Whole lot of things you
Yeah.
can't do.
Let's
So-
just say it was safe. Don't worry.
सन्नाटा हो गया. But
But
yes, hello again and namaste to everybody. This is the second hour of our show today. A little after Diwali, a little before Thanksgiving. So kind of
Speaking of that, how was yours?
between.
How was yours Diwali?
Oh, it was very good. बहुत अच्छी थी. Just blessed that is, considering this year, तो कुछ भी अच्छा होता है तो just blessed. It was very
That's
good. अपने में, limited दिवाली थी तो बहुत अच्छी थी.
It was good.
सुशील आपकी दिवाली कैसी थी?
जैसी तुम्हारी थी मेरी भी थी. But it wasn't कि मैं अपनी दिवाली का अलग मना रहा था, right? That was not the case.
Yeah.
So
But
Good,
yes,
good.
it was great. And how was your Diwali?
Again, same good. Spent a lot of time with family and weather was good. Did a little bit of fireworks too, which was fun.
It was
It's
fun.
good to have. Yeah.
Yeah, and as much as we love coming on air and talking to you all and doing our fun
I think
show
that
every
was great
Sunday, but it was a good break.
Good. It's always good to have a break. We were a consistent number of days of coming to the
Yes.
studio and doing the
Yes.
show. The show never stops though. We always keep it going. But yeah, that was a good break.
Yeah, the show was on. It was a
Yeah.
recorded show, लेकिन live show हमने नहीं किया. लेकिन वो break हमारे लिए भी अच्छा था.
Yeah.
And
definitely.
it was a very relaxed afternoon. So usually we are very charged up on Sunday, and the adrenaline rush is very high by the end of the show also.
Punjabi on the battery charge.
हाँ charged. So that's right. लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं
पीछे बढ़ेंगे.
हाँ.
आगे बढ़ने से पहले पीछे बढ़ेंगे.
Okay, so we are back
PJ.
finally.
Yeah.
So yes, it's about time कि सब लोग अपने वैसे तो मुझे आइडिया नहीं है मैं ये कैसे बोलूँ because वैसे तो a lot
मुंह
of
से बोल
people.
दीजिए बस. इतना काफी है.
Thank you सुशील, thank you so much. और
Welcome.
आपकी कोई और टिप्पणियाँ हैं तो बता दें.
नहीं तुमने बोला कैसे बोलूं.
So, yes, very limited gatherings are allowed, right? Going forward. But अगर आप अपने घर पे भी हैं, अपने हस्बैंड के लिए क्यों नहीं, अपने लिए आपको हमेशा सुंदर दिखना चाहिए, right? You should always feel happy and
Yeah.
content and relaxed and look beautiful for even if it's yourself.
Right.
So there's only one place that I definitely recommend कि आप जाएं
Galveston.
और अपने आप को सुंदर तरीके से पैम्पर करिए और feel relaxed and beautiful. Galveston is the last place I would ever go for
क्यों? The
this.
breeze is so amazing. पूरा का पूरा बाल एकदम हो जाते हैं, right?
So इधर आप जाएंगे तो आपको वाकई में आप सुशील की बात फिलहाल मत सुनिए लेकिन आप जाइए and go to Classy Diva Salon and Spa and exactly what I was about to say, give the gift of the me time that we all need. So they have amazing deals for the holiday season all the way till the end of December. So आपके पास अगर party hairstyle makeup आपको करना है घर पे आपके even if you're meeting your parents or each other, then just for $50 that's the deal. And then facial, face polish and eyebrow threading is again only $50, and she still has the pumpkin spice facial going on, and that's also $50.
Wow, that's a great deal, actually.
And
Great.
yes, and free gift with every $50 service.
Dang.
So
सोने पे सुहागा.
Ruby is going ahead all out and giving all these amazing deals for you. So Classy Diva Salon and Spa, follow them on Facebook and Instagram. They are located at 937 South Mason Road. And for any appointments, any questions, text Ruby at 856-693-8970.
Holiday season तो है ही है. So holiday season is over here. So I mean I cannot believe people are not going to have house parties. People will. Obviously, don't have 50, 60, 80, 100 people house parties
No.
because we are not there yet.
Yeah.
But of course, you're going to call your family and friends. So 10, 15 to wahi ho gaye aapke, right? So I think that's
I
pretty
mean,
reasonable.
as much as it's not advisable, but people are doing
Do it,
I
guys.
know people who
जीना
are
को
doing
थोड़ी
it.
छोड़ देता है यार.
हाँ,
छोड़ो.
but मास्क पहनिएगा जरूर, थोड़ा सेफ रहिएगा.
Yeah.
हाँ, मास्क में एक होल बना लीजिएगा ताकि खाना खाने पे आपको मास्क निकालने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े. But yeah, but the reason I was saying is because of course season is coming. Holiday season is starting next week. Everybody's going to have parties at their house. I'm looking forward to attend a couple of ours, friends and families parties as well. वहाँ पे that's what I was saying कि of course you know Classy Divas and Salon and Spa, of course that's where it comes into play for you guys, is because she's offering amazing deals. I hope वो हमारे लिए भी कुछ करती, लेकिन हमारे लिए कुछ करती नहीं है. She's only towards the better
It's only a
ladies ना, वही हमारे लिए मतलब है for men's. Ruby अगर सुन रही है तो यार कुछ ना कुछ हमारे लिए भी कर दे. We would love to try that your pumpkin
spice
Spice.
facial.
spice. We'll taste it as well.
But आगे बढ़ते हैं फिर, and let's get into a song break and come back with our Bollywood gupshup.
तेरे ख्यालों में गुजरता है दिन मेरा, जाना तू जाने ना, आशिक हूँ मैं तेरा. तेरे ख्यालों में गुजरता है दिन मेरा, जाना तू जाने ना, आशिक हूँ मैं तेरा. सारी रात आए तेरी याद, ऐनी सोनी क्यों लगे तू मैनू, मैं तेरा हो गया, हो जा मेरी तू. ऐनी सोनी क्यों लगे तू मैनू, मैं तेरा हो गया, हो जा मेरी तू.
मैंने बोला ना ये संदीप का कुछ चल रहा है बॉस, ये बता नहीं रहा है. फिर इसने रोमांटिक गाना लगाया, ढिंचिंग पंजाबी नहीं लगाया. जस्ट सी
time
सोशल, कुछ हिंट्स मिल रहे हैं. या तो इसका दिल दुखा है, इसको जिसको ये पसंद करता है वो इधर
काटा
उधर
लगा.
है संदीप.
हाँ?
वो उधर उधर चली गई, तुम्हारे
Yeah.
पास नहीं आई. हाँ,
मेरे पास नमस्ते रेडियो है.
ओहो क्या बात है. नमस्ते रेडियो तो है ही तुम्हारे पास, दैट्स ट्रू. लेकिन जो तुमने ये एन्नी सोनी जो गाना बजाया है, जिसमें हैं हमारे प्रभास, लाइक द टॉल हैंडसम डैशिंग.
Oh really? Which movie is this?
This is Sahu.
That was Saw.
Oh.
Yeah.
But there's some Prabhas news.
Yes, because exactly. तो हमारे जो बॉलीवुड गपशप का सेक्शन है उसमें सबसे पहले यस, और अगर आप हमें फेसबुक लाइव पे देख रहे हैं, जो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, देखो फेसबुक लाइव पे देखो, यूट्यूब लाइव पे देखो, हमारी वेबसाइट नमस्ते रेडियो ह्यूस्टन.com पे भी लाइव देखो. लुक एट द वीडियो, एंजॉय द स्टूडियो राइट व्यू.
The view.
सो यू कैन
all
सी
of it.
संदीप ने डाला है अभी, प्रभास है, सैफ अली खान है, एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अपकमिंग मूवी आदि पुरुष. You know what Adi Purush means?
That was a good question.
Ada
So
Purush.
that is for Sandeep.
Oh, so
I know what it is. I know that you know what
नहीं,
it
I
means.
mean वो word में तो है. What does Adi Purush
But
means?
I want him to
Adi
know.
is obviously half, right?
Yeah, and what's Purush?
That I know. That's the part I know.
नहीं रे,
Purush,
Adi.
you are Purush.
Boy? Guy?
A man, yeah.
Man?
नहीं रे.
I want to feel young and boy.
Adi, Aditya Chopra.
No. So Adi Purush is
Half man?
Half man, yeah. Yeah.
Half man, half what? God? Half man.
Half man, half God.
Oh, okay. That's what the movie looks like. Kind of looks like.
That's the.
So I'm guessing he's
क्या?
probably going to have. Seth
Ardnareshwar,
as
is
a
that what you're
villain.
trying to say?
Yeah.
I'm guessing he's going to have Seth probably as what, a villain?
Yes, I think
Yeah.
so. And जी हाँ, ये news है about Prabhas and Saif Ali Khan, and so it's a 3D action drama that will mark Om Raut's first project with Prabhas and second with Saif Ali Khan, and is co-produced by Bhushan Kumar's T-Series. The shooting
course.
schedule of the film is expected to begin early next year. I mean, I can't wait for this movie. And it'll release in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam and Kannada. Oh, wonderful. I will watch it in Kannada.
But didn't they start that trend with Bahubali? Like
Yes.
they did all the languages.
Yes.
Now a lot of movies are trying to do.
Yes,
Same
exactly.
thing, yeah.
And Let me see. It's going to release in they are going to have a theater release, and it'll be in 2022. So we have to wait almost like 1.5 years now.
That's smart for them because they'll
Yeah.
hopefully
Yeah.
theaters will be back.
August 11, 2022.
क्या baby?
That's when Adi Purush is going to release. So we probably can have Sushal's birthday bash there. If
Hey, I'm
we
not
are
interested.
going to theaters.
I'm not interested in going and seeing a Prabhas movie for my birthday. Cha.
You can go for me. It's okay.
But that's my birthday. I will go on your birthday for Prabhas movie.
But yeah, that is the news about Adi Purush. Go check out their, little whatever. I think even the trailer is not out, right?
No, the trailer's not.
It's
there
just
yet.
this
Just the
teaser is
poster,
out. Yeah, a poster.
Yeah.
तो वो थी प्रभास के बारे में, आदि पुरुष के बारे में. एंड बिफोर वी गेट इनटू अनदर सॉन्ग ब्रेक,
मैं ये कह रहा था कि तुम्हें मेरे बर्थडे पे कुछ वाकई में कुछ करना है तो टेक मी अवे. आई लव फूड एंड ड्रिंक्स, यू नो दैट.
इन ड्रिंक्स
And food and drinks, I said. That's
Okay.
what I love.
Food and drinks.
Yes, absolutely. So this place, of course, I'm not expecting you to take me for drinks, but I will definitely appreciate if you take me here for lunch, so I can eat पेट भर के as much as possible, because I'm a lunch guy. I don't eat a very heavy dinner, which is none other than महाराजाओं की शान महाराजा भोग.
Oh,
Yes, their premium veg thali, unlimited veg thali.
so I'll take you there Monday, tomorrow.
On my birthday you can take me as well.
Oh, okay.
हफ्ते में तो तुम मुझे एक बार ले ही जा सकती हो on a
Right.
Monday, but of course on my birthday, because I'm vegetarian on Mondays. But of course, who wouldn't mind getting treated like royalty?
Absolutely.
And of course enjoying the best veg premium thali over there at Maharaja Bhog. और इतना नहीं, I am a big fan of their jalebi as well. So मेरे लिए तो सोने पे सुहागा. तो guys, yes, if you want the best premium veg food, it's none other than Maharaja Bhog in Houston. And of course they have to go thalis as well. They're offering jalebi and basundi available on an everyday basis. For details, give them a call if you want to do catering, since holiday season is up over here, at 713-771-2464. Or you can go dine in as well. Of course, they're following all COVID guidelines, and they have different menu every day. तो आप हफ्ते के 7 दिन भी खा सकते हैं. They're located at 8338 Southwest Freeway, and you can of course follow them on Facebook, in Instagram. They're open for dine-in as well. So guys, don't forget Maharaja Bhog.
That's right, and I really want to say this is because, I know the numbers are going up, so a lot of people may be a little hesitant about going and eating. लेकिन आपने अगर हमारा वीडियो देखा और उसके बाद भी मैं 2 बार गई हूँ, संदीप तुम भी गए हो, they are following all the guidelines.
Yeah, right.
But the other main thing is you can always pick up. Mom, stop texting me. She's distracting me. You can always pick up to-go boxes from Maharaja Bhog. So these to-go boxes are just the thali that you have over there, but they're beautifully packed, and it's more than enough for one person. So it's like a big meal. And अगर आपके कोई drive-through parties है, कुछ भी है, सब उठा के बस उन्हें टू गो बॉक्स दे दीजिए आपके गेस्ट को. कोई और चिंता करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. सो महाराजा भोग. देखा संदीप का दिल गोज संदीप कुछ तो है बॉस. बाय द एंड ऑफ द शो आई एम गोना गेट दैट आउट ऑफ यू. लेकिन मेरी मम्मी जो मुझे टेक्स्ट कर रही थी, उनका मतलब ये था कि आदि पुरुष, मैंने आई जस्ट इंटरप्रेट कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. आदि पुरुष डजंट मीन हाफ पुरुष.
I feel so bad. Yeah, I did that.
अरे half Lakshmi रे.
But Sushil actually started that. So she said Adi Purush means Purana Admi. Yeah, like Adi Yug. So Purana Admi.
Oh, okay.
Like
Okay.
those.
Yeah.
पहले क्या बोलते थे? Adi Manas.
बुड्ढा.
Adi Manas. Yeah. So it's Adi.
Adi Manas is half human being, right? जो भी आदि हो तो आधा हो गया ना.
No, Adi Manas वो पुराने आदमी जो होते थे. But anyways,
आदिवासी सुने
you
हैं.
all know exactly what I'm trying to say. Adi Purush means Purana Admi.
Purana. Okay. So,
दूसरा आदमी there's a movie. I don't know. There's a
I
movie called पुराना आदमी.
I know.
well, speaking of movies, what did you guys watch?
A
recently?
lot of movies, yeah. Like
Which
Movies or
finally.
shows, yeah.
Because like Sushal's been coming home early these days. So
No,
we
the
get
million
to
dollar
see.
question is: are you forced to watch these, or are you actually?
So there was one I was forced to watch, which was
Yeah, I tied her hands down and then I basically put toothpicks in her eyes so she couldn't close them.
which was Chalang,
Oh, with Rajkumar.
Rajkumar Rao
Okay.
and Nusrat Bharucha, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the one from Sonu Ki.
Yeah, Ludo. Initially, I was forced to watch, but then
I haven't seen that yet.
But 5 minutes into the movie, I like it's okay. Untie me, I can watch it. I loved
Yeah, I've
Ludo.
been hearing good things about.
Yeah,
Ludo.
it's amazing. We'll get to the details. And I think I liked watching Lakshmi also. It was fine.
okay.
It was like towards the end I was like, khoda pahad nikla chuha types. Lekin, man, you all need to go out and watch Ashram 2. I think you also binge watched it, right? Like
Yeah.
finished, right?
Well, I forced myself not to binge it. I tried to do like 2 a day. But yeah, I completed it. And I think officially Bobby Deol is back.
Bobby and how?
Yeah.
Soldier.
Soldier नहीं.
Baba ji, what was that?
Babaji.
You said that on
Japnam.
Japnam. So
Yeah.
2 days back, Sandeep called me and he's like, Japnam.
Japnam.
I was like, what is? So I couldn't stop laughing.
Sandeep, are you doing Shuddhikaran as well?
Yeah. We'll get to that.
Seriously. So if you've not watched Ashram, watch it. Ashram 1, Ashram 2. I can guarantee आप Ashram 1 शुरू करेंगे तो 2 within 2-3 दिन खत्म हो
And it's
जाएगा.
on Hotstar.
And it is on Hotstar.
Yes, you got that right. Hotstar.
Ashram is not on Hotstar.
Oh no, she's right. It's not on Hotstar.
It's on your dabba.
It's on your
my
dabba.
IPTV.
Yeah.
IPTV.
I don't know
So
how
where's your-
Sushil
how
gets it.
It's on MX Player. India's MX Player.
So
Me,
you have MX?
No.
Or how did you? Okay, you.
I have my own
You have a
jugaad.
source.
सुशील के उसको बोलते हैं जुगाड़.
I don't even need a box.
No, I know.
I have my
how
own
it-
jugaad.
Pappu gave him a way to watch it. That's.
Oh,
how about
yeah.
that? There you go.
So yeah, that's true. So again, आश्रम की हमने बात करी. लक्ष्मी का क्या thoughts, Sushil? Your thoughts on Lakshmi?
So I like Lakshmi. I'm not going to deny it. In fact, Akshay Kumar a little bit different, of course. I mean, I would definitely watch it. I think Akshay acted pretty well. So, but since it's based on a South movie, I went and watched South movie. Kanchana is basically the name of the
Yeah,
South
it was a
movie.
remake you guys. were
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah. So majority of the scenes, even they have taken it from the South movie itself. Graphics change कर लिए, and then of course Akshay Kumar's character they changed a little bit. जो उसने दिखा था, it's not
I
what
think
the hero
more,
was.
to me, more than him, I liked Sharad Kelkar's.
I
Shuri
always
was
like
good too.
Sharad Kelkar.
So the thing with the Kanchana is South ki jo that was the part 2, by the way. The first one was called Munna ya Munni, something like that.
Sushil actually
Then
watched all
then
three.
Kanchana 2. So I watched all 3 back to back.
Wow. Oh yeah, because in Lakshmi they do show that there might be a second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was exactly
I'm
from
not gonna tell you the
Kanchana.
story, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think Akshay Kumar did a good job.
He did-
Like his
and I
acting was
think-
very good.
Yeah.
Lekin there are few things that they could
Like, I
have
think
changed.
as much as I like that Burj Khalifa song, it was
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
random. It just came in.
Oh yeah,
They
it just came in.
they just
Yeah.
threw
No
it.
sense.
Yeah.
But I like that song.
The songs.
Yeah. And then finally that was Lakshmi. We spoke about Ashram. Now about Chalang. Chalang is Rajkumar Rao and Nusrat Bharucha, right? Good small town, nice movie, different, typical Rajkumar Rao movie.
Okay.
A different genre.
So worth watching or no?
It is worth watching.
Okay.
But
gotta
I mean, I don't know. What do you think, Sushil?
Kis baare mein?
You like Chalang?
I like yeah, it's a good movie. It's not a bad movie at all. Is it a theater movie? It's on the similar lines as Panga.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Oh,
But but it's a good movie. I mean, it's a watchable movie. You can watch it with the family. You can be at home and you can watch it. They acted well. Rajkumar Rao. I mean, I like his acting, and of course, I like Nusrat Bharucha's acting as well. So.
It's basically an aimless guy, and then what love can make him do and things like that, and then he becomes like a aimful guy.
Gotcha.
And then of course Ludo. Oh my God, this movie!
That I still have to watch.
The way it is directed and the stories connect. I mean. I really love Anurag Basu, and I think he's.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
As a director.
You didn't clarify that either.
And as a host, the judge also on that dance show is very good. And so the way they connected the stories, beautiful movie, and everybody acted so well. Even Abhishek Bachchan was so good in Ludo.
Even he was good.
Yeah,
wow.
He was very good. और कौन था लूडो में सुशील?
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Aditya Roy Kapoor था. ये राव भी तो था. राजकुमार राव,
yeah. And Aditya Roy Kapoor के साथ हीरोइन कौन होती है?
Oh, that
Dangal Girl.
The Dangal, yeah.
Dangal Girl.
The younger sister. She was even in Badai O Badai.
Morani Banke, that song, right? She was there.
Yeah.
I can't remember her name.
Hey, you saw my fingers? When I said Morani Banke.
So yes, these are all the reviews. Definitely go watch these movies. Lakshmi, Ashram, Chalang, Ludo. चाहे आपके पास Hotstar है, Prime है, Netflix है, या डब्बा है, या जुगाड़ है.
अगर वो भी नहीं है तो फिर मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए.
Yeah, contact Sushil will get you away.
Yeah, and just give me your credit card. I'll charge $100 on that. Okay.
तो उससे अच्छा डाके डब्बा ले लीजिए.
So let's get into a song break, and we will be back. आप भी जाइए और आप भी मलंग हो जाइए.
यार I miss AMC's man.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन. आप कुछ बीच में कुछ बोल रहे थे?
नहीं, तुमने बोला आप भी जाके मलंग हो जाइए. तो the song that Malang came out, I think this was one of the last movies we watched in theater. So
okay. Now back to गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन. आप जाइए, दर्शन लीजिए, एंड भगवान को याद कीजिए. सो हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या कोई भी इंगेजमेंट सेरेमनी हो, सत्यनारायण की पूजा हो, बेबी शावर हो, जो भी आपका कोई पॉजिटिव या आपका कोई नया काम हो या कोई पूजा करानी हो, आप ज़रूर पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को कांटेक्ट कीजिए at 832-466-9868. एंड गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल को फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो कीजिए. एंड अगर आप जा रहे हैं तो मास्क आर रिक्वायर्ड. एंड when you will follow them on Facebook, definitely they have live aartis, so आप घर बैठे बैठे भी enjoy कर सकते हैं. So गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन, ज़रूर डोनेट ज़रूर करिए उन्हें.
Get into a quick commercial break. We'll come back, finish up, wrap up Bollywood segment, and then get into our Bollywood birthdays. This is Namaste Radio, listening with myself, Dolly Deep, Vanchika, and Sushil. Keep it locked here.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है. हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू, स्वीट 701 पे. डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे. तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868. जय श्री गणेश.
गणपतये नमो नमः श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. साथ में music और pool table भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Hello, this is Pradeep Salhan of PSPC Bookkeeping Services. Call us today at 281-580-8700 or 281-583-2993. Our services include bookkeeping, income tax returns, company formation and startup, tax strategies and consulting, and much, much more. We are located at 14340 Torrey Chase Boulevard, Suite 110, Houston, 77014. So call us at 281-580-8700 and ask for Pradeep or Sid. Again, that's 281-580-8700 or 281-583-2993. Thank you and namaste.
Namaste Radio.
Modern Indian radio.
Keep it locked.
That's right. This is how we keep it live here at Namaste Radio. And there's another place where you can go, you can enjoy, you can keep it live and lively with your friends. And that's none other than the feature of the week that we featured on our Facebook page. None other than Bob's Lounge and Grill. We had some delicious food from Bob's Lounge and Grill. Or it was Thursday, I believe, right? It was Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. Out of the world butter chicken, that was amazing. Then we had the pomfret rashad, that's what's called. Then we had the chili shrimps.
Goan chili shrimp.
Goan chili shrimps. And then the chicken biryani.
Yeah, and then I like the rotis also.
Oh wow, the rotis are very, very good, man.
Yep.
Of course, the food was amazing. I had the opportunity to go meet the chef as well over there. He is from Goa, the chef.
That's right. Yeah. And they have a lot of Goan special. They have regular grills and if you can see the menu on our Facebook Live, even Chinese, rice and curries. But definitely, आप जो भी try करें, but butter chicken ज़रूर try करिए.
And
that was really good.
इतना ही नहीं है. One of my favorite parts is when you go over there, the place is so lit up. Like literally the vibes are so amazing in that place. On सामने इतना बड़ा उनका bar है. And I mean, I was just taking a look. I couldn't find any liquor which is supposed to be there and it's not there. It is there. They have all the collections, from whiskeys to vodkas to gins and whatever you drink, tequilas. Everything was there. Even the premium liquor was there. I saw that.
And they have hookah too, right?
Of course. Yeah. So, खूब मिल बैठेंगे. क्या था? खूब जमेगी जब मिल बैठेंगे हम तीन. Food, drinks, or hookah. So guys, don't forget to go check out with your friends Bob Lounge and Grill. They're open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Their number is 281-974-4918. They have a private room in the back. You can even do a private party over there as well. You can go check out their menu online, which is at bobsloungeandgrill.com. You can go to the Facebook, Instagram, or you can Google them up and you can see their interior pictures and, of course, their menu as well. They're located on 6401 Hillcroft Avenue, Bob's Lounge and Grill.
That's right, bobsloungegrill.com. Just quickly wrapping up the Bollywood Gupshup. Akshay Kumar has announced something on his social media. A new movie is going to be, which is called Ram. Did you see that? Ram Setu?
Ram Setu, yeah.
Oh, really? No, I didn't.
You know what Ram Setu is?
It's a bridge.
So the bridge that Ram, like the Vanar Lanka made to go take him to Sri Lanka, right? Lanka, sorry.
Oh, okay.
No offense, but Lanka. So that is called Ram Setu. The bridge is called Ram Setu.
Okay.
Yeah. So that, I don't know what this is going to be about. Is he playing Bhagwan Ram? I have no idea.
He must have copied it again from South.
Yeah, but it is directed by Abhishek Sharma, you've written.
Yeah, Abhishek Sharma is directing it. And it seems like once he barely just finishes one movie, he's already announcing another.
वो तो,
and then that's Akshay for you.
That is Akshay, that's right. Yeah, I can. Is this the real poster from the movie?
That's what he's posted on.
Oh, so yeah, there is the Ram photo behind him. You see the backdrop? It's Bhagwan Ram's backdrop. So yeah.
Nice. And some some sad news. Actor
Asif
Basra was found
I know
dead, and he lived from 1967 to this year 2020. Recent shows he was in Hostages and also Patalok.
In Hostages 2 he played that doctor who's in the jail. He comes in
does the
I was actually shocked. He does the surgery and goes basically.
Yeah.
And I was actually shocked that because Vicky Kaushal, he put his post, and Vicky Kaushal said that one of his first, when he was just assisting before his movies and all that, one of his first plays that he was assisting, and he had to introduce everybody. Asif Basra was the main actor, and Vicky said I was so nervous. And the way Asif spoke with him and told him about life and all, he said that's the day I really never feared anything anymore, like going on stage. And to find out that Asif Basra, committed suicide. So, but वही बात है ना जो हम हमेशा से कहते हैं कि एक इंसान कैसा है, उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, you can't say.
Yeah.
So
he's in some other movies as well, but I thought he was a good actor.
He's done some great movies actually, but it's just that I think he never got that kind of recognition probably that he deserved. Yeah.
And just real quick, Saif Ali Khan has announced he's doing another movie, which will be a Netflix movie. And he's one of the first ones to start the whole Netflix trend with social.
Saif is intelligent. He's intelligent.
Very intelligent. Yeah. And also Aditya Roy Kapoor is also finishing up a movie which is called, I believe it's called Om, The Battle Within.
Oh.
So I know you like Aditya Roy Kapoor.
I mean, I don't mind. Yeah.
What do you mean you don't mind?
Malang mein he was really good. I think even Sushil liked him in Malang. Uska body.
Yeah, of course. I mean, he did have a chisel body, physic body, of course.
Yeah.
So he worked out, of course. Why not? So give the devil his due. I mean, he did work hard. But besides that point, I like the movie itself as well.
Yeah.
Malang, so.
And another to wrap up this segment before the Bollywood birthdays, the most shocking news, but yet not shocking because of all the things that we've heard this year. Bharati Singh, the comedian, she was arrested by the NCB for possession of drugs in her house, and her husband's been also arrested apparently.
Oh my God.
So and they had a lot of other things also, right, in the house. Some
you were the one who told me the news, remember?
Yeah. I read it, and it's all over the social media and all the news channels, entertainment section today. So it's just crazy. I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
When people come from humble beginnings and they get all the fame and all that, पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है.
Yeah.
संदीप तुम ऐसे मत बनना.
Never.
ठीक है.
Yes. Let's get into now another song break, and then we'll come back with our Bollywood Janamdin, Bollywood birthdays. Keep it locked here.
सावली सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं
Coca-Cola too, huh?
सुन रहे हो संदीप के सारे गाने? हुई में मलंग मलंग कोका कोला तू.
He's just talking about cokes, man. That's all.
वो भारती सिंह से इंस्पायर्ड हो गया वो सडनली कोका कोला.
Oh God. No, this is the drink, okay?
लेकिन अगर तुम लोगों ने ज्यादा ये सारी गड़बड़ बात करी ना तो मैं तुम्हारी कंप्लेन ऐसे बंदे से कर दूंगी और वो फिर तुम्हें जो हॉस्पिटल में इंजेक्शंस लगाएंगी ना और तुम दोनों को सीधा कर देंगी.
वो बेचारी she's busy helping COVID patients.
I am talking about डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल. तुम दोनों को सीधा करके रखेंगी हेल्थ वाइज, डाइट वाइज और बाकी हर वाइज. But yeah, Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel is a kidney specialist. She's a nephrologist with over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone, kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis. Now talking about Dr. Namrata, every time we have that, arey doctor hai, must be very serious in this and all. But trust me, when you will meet Dr. Namrata, she's one of the most chill, relaxed kind of a person.
Definitely.
She's a masti kind of a person and so easy to talk with. So if you have any issues, talk to her, and she's really good in what she does. So definitely she'll help out in everything. And the best thing, and she was talking to me about this past week. You interviewed her a couple of weeks back. She, shared with us about Medicare patients getting blood pressure machines.
Yeah.
So you can just contact her office and get those machines for free, and they'll be administered whatever readings you have. Her office will keep it, and it goes to the physician's office and they'll keep a check on you, and these machines are for free. All you have to do is go contact her and get these machines, and the number that you can contact is 713-520-6875. So if you are a Medicare patient, or if you get the facility, definitely take advantage of this, and आपको फ्री में ब्लड प्रेशर मशीन मिलेगी जिससे आप अपना एवरीडे रिकॉर्ड रख सकते हैं. डॉक्टर के ऑफिस में डायरेक्टली वो रीडिंग्स जाएंगी. If there's any issue, they can contact you directly. So again, the number is 713-520-6875. And the best thing about Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel is she speaks your language. Hindi हो, उर्दू हो, इंग्लिश हो, स्पेनिश भी बोल लेती हैं और पंजाबी तो बहुत अच्छी बोलती हैं. So again, 713-520-6875, Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel.
Right. Now we get into our Bollywood birthdays segment. Lots of birthdays this
I know,
coming.
lots.
Yeah. First one, should we do the quiz with?
We'll do quick quizzes.
Quick quiz with Sushil.
So today is November 22nd.
Yes, and his birthday is today.
Yeah, his birthday is today. He's the latest. From no one he became very famous because of this.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Nahin.
From no one he became famous.
No, the latest. He's the youngest actor to join the Bollywood line. एंड आजकल काफी मूवीज में आ रहा है और इसका ये 5 मिनट का मोनोलॉग बहुत फेमस हुआ था.
ओह, कार्तिक आर्यन.
सी आई न्यू यू. मैंने जल्दी कर रही हूँ ना क्योंकि बहुत नाम है. दैट्स राइट, कार्तिक आर्यन, द नेक्स्ट डोर boy these days, that is Kartik Aryan. His birthday is today, November 22nd. Now November 23rd is Bollywood के काफी जाने माने में से हैं. He's not an, he has he done a little bit of acting, Sandeep, you think? Maybe a little bit here and there,
maybe,
right?
Yeah.
But he's more of a director, and he's made some and producer, and he's made some really funny series with Sajid Nadiadwala.
Oh, he's the producer?
Director.
And a director. Producer and director. The guy who made Kick, nah? But you're talking about Sajid Nadiadwala.
With him.
With him. I'm not. It's not Sajid Nadiadwala.
Oh, Farah Khan's. क्या नाम है उसका यार?
क्या नाम है?
The molester, right? That's his name.
अभी तो दे दिया नाम उसका.
Sajid Khan, ना?
हाँ.
Yeah, Sajid.
That's what when I say Sajid Nadiadwala, I was like, oh, I gave the name.
Yeah.
But no, Sajid Khan, who has been also in wrong, गलत खबरों में रहते हैं ये.
He was kicked out of Houseful 4.
Yeah.
It was 4 or 3?
House 4.
Because of Akshay Kumar, right? Because of the Me Too movement.
Yeah, Akshay Kumar said he doesn't
deserve, right? Yeah.
Not deserve. He doesn't want to work with somebody whose name has come up so many times. And
Akshay का खुद का क्या है?
अक्षय का कोई ऐसे कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है. उसने अक्षय, if you watch his आपकी अदालत, that was a while ago, he said I was single at that time. He said, so मैं मर्द हूँ So, you know, I had girlfriends, so there's nothing wrong with that.
Ooh.
But he was single. Joke Shaker affairs में किसी ने confirm नहीं किए, by the way. I think Priyanka Chopra was one of them, the affairs that they talked about, and she had an affair with Shah Rukh Khan apparently, and that's why she was kicked out of Bollywood.
Right, something like that.
I didn't say that.
Well, it was all over the news, that's why.
Okay. So that is Sajid Khan, November 23rd. And November 24th को 2 लोगों का बर्थडे है. एक फीमेल है, एक मेल है. जो फीमेल है, यार, I don't know what to say about her. I think her
female.
first movie was with Fardeen Khan.
With Fardeen Khan.
Oh, Salina Jaitley.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it.
And जो मेल हैं, वो हैं भाई के पापा.
भाई कौन है?
सलमान खान.
Oh, सलमान खान के डैड. यार ये डायरेक्टर
फेमस डायरेक्टर.
अरे I know.
शोले का विद जावेद अख्तर.
पता है जावेद अख्तर? हाँ जावेद.
Yeah.
सलीम जावेद. सलीम खान.
Salim Khan,
yes.
that's right.
Yes.
Oh, you want me to say the next one and then we get into a song?
Let's do one. Let's get this one over. because
Okay,
I think
get-
this-
कोई difficult दो यार. Don't play easy with
So
me.
November 25th को ये जो है ये एकदम महाराष्ट्रन मुलगी थी.
उर्मिला मातोंडकर.
लेकिन इन्होंने अपने पूरे बॉडी में इतना चेंजेस किया कि ये एक बड़ी सेक्सी सी आइटम गर्ल बन चुकी हैं और अब तो इनका दिमाग पागल ही हो चुका है.
अभी भी है.
नहीं अब इतना मूवीज में नहीं आती लेकिन शी इज फेमस फॉर
Rakhi Sawant?
all the
Yeah.
unwanted reasons.
That's
Rakhi
it.
Sawant.
Rakhi Sawant, yes.
Yes, it is Raghi
You
Sawant.
could have just said that she participated in that Big Boss series, whatever, right?
Actually,
She's a
you
drama
know,
queen.
but you must give her the due. I'll tell you what. कुछ नहीं आके कुछ नहीं करके राखी सावंत ने उसके ऊपर एक पूरा वो वेडिंग का सीरीज बना था. इफ यू रिमेंबर दुल्हन
Yeah,
समथिंग.
yeah,
I don't
remember
remember.
Yeah. I you know what? I saw it. It was the Indian version of Bachelorette. That was about 10 years ago.
Yeah, but
long
I
time
mean it's a big thing, right? और
Yeah.
किसी लड़की पे ऐसे बना नहीं. So the other male पे जो बना था that was Rahul
Mahajan.
Mahajan. Yeah.
And that one he did marry on the show. Rakhi didn't marry actually.
Rakhi
She backed
did
out.
marry,
Yeah.
He married, but then they got divorced, right? Dimpy and him.
Yeah.
So let's get into a song and then we'll come back with more birthdays.
अरे मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार सुन ऐ मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरी जान तेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मनी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर
तेरा साथ ना
चलो तुम मेरे साथ खेल रहे हो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ खेलता हूँ. ये जो गाना जो सिंगर्स ने गाया उनके नाम बताओ.
The singers of the song?
Yeah. ये दोस्ती song.
Oh, one of
Kishore Kumar.
Yeah, well, it had to be Kishore because of Amitabh.
Can you hear Kishore Kumar in the background? I didn't hear Kishore Kumar.
Oh. No? Yeah, those
Right now Sandeep and me.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Kosis करो कोशिश. Of course एक किशोर कुमार
Oh,
है. I was not joking.
Vadkar. Suresh
एक one is
Vadkar.
Kishore Kumar.
Oh, okay. Man,
I was just
you
joking on
was
that
off.
one. But who's the other one?
Suresh Vadkar.
नहीं.
No.
Mohammad Rafi.
नहीं.
No.
Oh,
I don't
that
think you
guy.
listen.
अमिताभ बच्चन का जो कॉपी गाता था.
नहीं.
वो
That
नहीं
was
है.
Kishore.
No.
No.
The other guy. Soni teri chaal.
Oh,
Soni.
so
Oh, that's
Sudesh
not.
Bhosle? No.
Sudesh Bhosle, you think was born?
I-
In that time. वो
Uh,
पैदा थे गाना चालू कर देगा उसने सोनी तेरी चौल सोनी
I don't know.
Juman.
मनाडे.
Oh, Manna Day. Man, I would have never guessed that.
I told you wouldn't guess it.
जी हाँ. But now coming back to our who wrote this?
I love the next name.
Sudesh Bhosle. वो जैसी पैदा हुआ as soon as he's born, he didn't say वाह सोनी तेरी चौल सोनी.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
So next जो November 26 जिनका बर्थडे है,
Mm-hmm.
ये एक टाइम पे मेरे बहुत फेवरेट हुआ करते थे.
बुढ़े हो गए होंगे.
He married the number one supermodel, but they're divorced now.
There's so many of them. Rahul Roy?
No.
Rahul Roy married a supermodel.
Yeah.
wow.
Lakshmi, I think, was somebody, right?
No, this guy was. I mean, he himself was a supermodel, and he became
I'll give
an
you a
actor.
hint. He's tall.
He's tall.
Mark Robinson?
No. He did a lot of movies, leading roles.
I think
He plays.
he plays villains roles, right?
He plays. I'll give you a hint too. He plays the guitar as well.
I don't think he would.
No, I
do
don't think
that.
he. No, I don't.
Yeah.
He plays villain roles, right?
Recently, he was the opposite of Ravan.
Arjun Kapoor.
Arjun Rampal.
Rampal.
What Kapoor?
Rampal. हाँ.
So I liked him in that movie. हाँ मेरा दीवानापन. I don't know if girls.
Divanapan was the name of the movie.
मेरा तुझे हाँ दिया
I
मिर्जा के
like how
साथ.
you named him though. Arjun.
Yeah, मेरा टाइपो हो गया. मैंने अभी देखा अर्जुन लिख दिया मैंने. अर्जुन रामपाल.
Yeah.
लेकिन जो नेक्स्ट है नवंबर 27 3 हैं और ये सुशील को इसमें से एक लड़की ये बहुत पसंद है. आजकल इसका बड़ा म्यूजिक वीडियोस देखते रहते
तुमसे भी
हैं.
ज़्यादा पसंद है?
बहुत ज्यादा.
Okay, let's see.
हम तो ठीक ठाक पसंद है. हमसे ज्यादा तो आपको सब पसंद है. इनका जो सबसे पहले ये बहुत बड़े लेजेंडरी म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हैं. बहुत मोटे हैं और ये बहुत ज्यादा सोना पहनते हैं.
That's exactly.
It's easy,
Once
right?
you say mote.
Yeah. Then the second person is a singer. Not anymore, but when she joined as a very super singer, and she married number one director at that time. And her first movie was opposite Shah Rukh Khan. Old times. जिसका एक गाना मेरा बड़ा favorite है.
दिव्या खोसला कुमार.
I didn't even talk about
Yeah, I
that.
know.
So that was my third one.
That's
no.
the third one. Okay,
That's the
okay,
third.
we'll
No,
put a
the
picture.
second one.
Okay, you said she debuted with Shah Rukh Khan and she was a singer?
Yeah.
Oh, Krishnamurti.
Kavita
Suchitra.
Suchitra
Not
Krishnamurti.
Kavita,
Sorry,
Suchitra.
yeah. That is right. And the third one was Divya Khosla Kumar. I don't know when did Divya Khosla Kumar act with Shah Rukh Khan? When?
No, but you mentioned
He's
that.
hoping she did.
No, you mentioned that she married some.
तुम उसका अभी आजकल वो गाना बहुत देखते हो ना टंग
याद पिया क्या लगी?
याद पिया या
No, actually, you know why? Maybe I remembered her because she's there. She's in the movie, na Satyameva
But now
Jayate 2.
she's
There with what's his
she's,
name? John
on-
Abraham. So
Now
they're-
she owns like T-Series, right? With
Man,
her
she
husband.
married the right guy.
She did marry.
But he was nobody at that time. He was just a
But
son
you know,
of
nowadays
Gushan-
when I think
Gushan Kumar.
popularity, I love his scene in Om
Cool.
Shanti Om when he's like, okay, right?
Okay. Yeah. And moving to our next and the last set of birthdays, and finally last set of birthdays for this week. Again, there are 3 people. Okay, उनमें से एक लड़का है और 2 लड़कियां हैं. जो लड़का है वो एक बहुत फेमस एक्टर का बेटा था, but he didn't do that good in movies. But recently he came in a very famous TV series जिसका part 1 और part 2 आपको बहुत पसंद है. उसमें 4 लड़कियां होती हैं और वो लोग शॉट वॉट लेते हैं.
Oh, 4 more shots. Pratik Babbar.
There you go. Yes.
Pratik
Yes.
Babbar.
Yes. Pratik
You
Babbar.
know, when you said वो series में था, the only guy that actually stood out.
Pankaj Tripathi.
No. He's not a son's famous actor's son. क्या नाम है उसका? खेर. सिकंदर खेर.
Oh no.
Oh,
Arya.
But Pratik Babbar.
Oh, and by the way, उसकी एक और एक आई है series. They say it's really good. So if you watch it, let me know. We should. It's called Mumbai. It's him and वो उसका नया दुपिया का husband, the one you like. What's his name?
Angad Bedi.
Angad Bedi and him.
Okay, nice.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
And the second actress is she just what was that movie recently इसकी?
Guinea Wet Sunny.
Ginny with Sunny. Yeah.
I like this actress.
Ginny with Sunny. Oh, मेरी मम्मी ਨੂੰ पसंद नहीं है तू. That's the
नहीं.
movie.
No.
Oh, Ginny with Sunny. Oh, the Vicky Donor. पानी
Yeah,
रहा. That's the
yeah,
girl,
yeah.
right?
The girl, yes.
क्या नाम है उसका? यामिनी गौतम.
Yami Gautam.
No, Vicky.
Yeah, Vicky
Ayushmann
Dono.
Khurrana was not in that movie.
Of course.
It was the other guy who's in the series,
Vicky
Criminal
Dono.
Justice and all that stuff.
No, Vicky Dono had Ayushmann.
Oh, yeah.
This
Vicky
movie
Dono.
had
You're talking about Yami Gautam, na?
Yeah.
Yami Gautam.
And then the last one, I'm not going to waste time in guessing. Her name is Isha Gupta. If you all know who I'm talking about. Ye Imran Hashmi.
You could have told me she debuted with Imran Hashmi. I would have told you.
Lot of women debuted with Imran Hashmi.
हाँ लेकिन I would have eventually got over there.
I don't have time for her. So yes, last is Pratik Babbar,
I have time
Yami
for her,
Gautam and Isha Gupta.
Yeah.
You have time for all the girls, Sandeep. जल्दी से मैं रैप अप करूं. कार्तिक आर्यन November 22nd, साजिद खान November 23rd, सलीना जेटली, सलीम खान November 24th, राखी सावंत November 25th, the drama queen, my god. Arjun, not Arjun but Arjun Rampal November 26th, Bappi Lahiri, Suchitra Krishnamurthy and Divya Khosla Kumar on November 27th, Pratik Babbar, Yami Gautam and Isha Gupta November 28th.
Awesome.
And finale, आज क्या तारीख है?
22nd.
22nd. तो आज है ह्यूस्टन की भाई बहुत ही फेवरेट जगह की जो हमारी मेन लेडी हैं. And the reason for one of the reasons for Arling's success today is Mrs. Lynn Motiwala's birthday.
Xiaoli.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
What's up, Xiao?
Go Xiao, you're my scorpion friend. And today the scorpion season ends actually, and ये December वालों का season शुरू हो जाता है, which
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius, yes.
Sagittarius, no?
So yes, from all three of us, happy birthday,
A very happy
Xiaoli.
birthday, Xiao.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To
And also,
you.
this week is another happy
What?
Thanksgiving Day.
Oh yeah. Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, and this year especially Thanksgiving is very special, right?
Why is it very special?
I mean, we all made it through 2020, guys.
Oh, we made it through 20 guys. Okay.
Absolutely. Very, very, very special. So, Sandeep, तुम्हें happy Thanksgiving from my side.
Happy
Sushil,
Thanksgiving.
आपको happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
And to everybody,
That's right.
happy Thanksgiving. आप सबको. लेकिन the main part is stay safe. And numbers बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि सिर्फ अपने तक रखो. Stay with people who are in your household. The main thing is, if you feel sick, please don't venture out. Don't think that it's okay. Don't have that FOMO feeling, अरे मेरी party miss हो जाएगी. Be very responsible. So.
जैसे इनकी अदा जानलेवा है वैसे एक खाना है ह्यूस्टन का जिनका खाना भी बहुत जानलेवा है, मतलब इन अ गुड वे कि जितना खाते जाओ उतना कम पड़ता है. पेट ही नहीं भरता, ना नीयत भरती है ना पेट भरता है. ऑफ कोर्स वी जस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट Xiao's birthday and we are talking about Arling's Chinese cuisine, the best Indo-Chinese cuisine in all over United States of America, not only in Texas. Blessed to have them over here. Now they're of course open for dine-in. The guys, they're always busy during weekends and holiday season. तो आपको मैं अभी से बता रहा हूँ, अगर आपको लाइन में वेट नहीं करना है तो गिव देम अ कॉल, गेट योर रिजर्वेशंस आउट टुडे. आज ही जाइए बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीकेंड दे गोना बी वेरी 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 बिजी. इफ यू प्लानिंग टू गो नेक्स्ट वीकेंड बिकॉज ऑफ द हॉलीडेज, That's their holiday season. So guys, give them a call and do your reservations. They open for dining at 75% capacity, and of course they're following all social distance guidelines. अगर आपको हाउस पार्टी के लिए उनको खाना कैटर करना है तो they can even do Uber Eats, Favor and Grubhub through the app for delivery, or you can even do a curbside pickup, or they can deliver within a 10-mile radius for you. So give them a call today. Check their menu online at 281-242-0432. And of course साथ में अगर आप जाके पिकअप करेंगे तो वेट करते करते उनके कॉकटेल्स भी ट्राई कर लीजिएगा, because they have one of the best cocktails that we have tried in Houston, located on Highway 19, Highway 6 at 6542. That's Aling's Chinese.
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो, मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो.